Okay, thank you so much for joining me today. Strawberry is actually a staple for me. I love making a strawberry topping, but I'm really glad I tried something different today and tried the kiwi topping instead. You can make blueberry. You can make anything you want, and you can even change things up with your cheesecake as well. This is a nice basic recipe for cheesecake, and once you kind of understand how the technique is to make a cheesecake, you can really switch it up. I've made chocolate mocha cheesecakes. Oh, I've made chocolate key lime cheesecakes. I'm telling you, the possibilities are endless with the combinations that could be happening right now. So I hope you enjoyed this great recipe. Again, I'm Lauren Taylor at the Baker's Corner on behalf of Expert Village. Bake, enjoy.